So now let's see how we can work around with the weave filter inside of GIMP. So in order to work around with the weave filter, you need to go around onto the filters menu right here, and then you need to go around over here onto artistic right here. So once you go around onto artistic section, you can see that weave is an option. So if I were to go around onto weave, then you can see that you can change around the ribbon right here, the ribbon spacing, shadow darkness, and so forth, and change around the thread density and so forth as you like. And once you want to apply the effect, you can go around and press OK right here. So once you go around and do that, you can see that it applies the weave effect right here, and it seems as if everything are tiles, as you can see right here. This is the pasted layer, as you can see right here. Let me just apply a slightly different effect. So let me just go around over here onto let's say for example artistic, and go for weave right here, and change around the settings right here a bit more. So shadow darkness right here, let me just go around and decrease this out. Shadow depth right here, just like this. Thread length, let me just go around and increase it out. Thread density right here as well, and the intensity, and press OK right here to apply this particular effect. Then there's a slightly different outlook right here, just like this. So this is what you have. So this is one effect right here, just like this, and this is another effect, as you can see right here. And you can even turn both of them on and off right here, as you can see right here, just like this. So that is how you can work around with weave effect inside of GIMP. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.